Hey guys, so random video here. So yeah, it's awesome, Alyssa. Yeah. I'm just trying to move the webcam around just to annoy you guys. But anyways, let me just set this down right here. So basically what we are gonna do today is basically play in Roblox High School. I just made this up, so yeah. And let's see if there's any people who are like online dating, which is against Roblox rules. So let's get into that. Alright. Alright, let's still be a sophomore anyways. I will not put a roleplay name at all because I do not like putting roleplay names because I just don't like them for some reason. So, ooh, the principal just sent someone to detention. I guess someone is in trouble. Alright. The principal just sent people to detention. Oh, it's science. Is science up here? Yeah. Okay. So I'm sitting in class. Who says that? I have to go to the ladies' room. Why? Why do you have to say that? No one wants to know you have to go pee or poo. Sorry for the saying poo poo. If you guys are eating right now, just put down your food. You have to put down your food when I say poo poo. 'Cause, yeah. So basically I can't really edit any of my videos. So I have to deal with this. Which person? Let's go to Noob. Hi, what? Can I get you lunch, please? Alright, let's see. Let's get some blocks latte and get an apple. Because apples are healthy for you. I have huge IQ. I don't understand. Alright, just sit over here. I'm just gonna sit at the blank table and drink my drink. Sit back down. One sec, guys. Alright, sorry about that. I had to sneeze. So, yeah. I had to sneeze, but I didn't want to sneeze like right in front of you guys. So, I just did that. Eat the apple. 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 Sorry if this is getting annoying to you guys, but I don't care. Eat the apple. 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 Aw, the apple's gone. Drink the drink. Oh, someone got suspended. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna actually, like, clear up a spot. Hold on, guys. My friend. Alright, guys, I'm back. And I had cleared up a spot on my friends list. So, yeah. Darn it. I have to plug up my computer. Hold on, I gotta pause it again. Sorry. Alright, guys, I'm back. And, so I was gonna go to the principal's office, but I think he's in there. But I'm just gonna friend the principal. And then I'm gonna do something so funny. New contact. Roblox. Okay, we need to find him. You be my parent. Can you be my parent? Plus, I'm a good girl. Oh. There we go. Alright, it's only for people with school class. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to lunch. So, oh, come on, I gotta go to history now. Oh, is history upstairs? Yep. Sorry. History. I'll be the first person. Why? I wanted to be the first person. Alright, I guess he can't. He isn't texting me back. Oh, there it goes. Where are you? In history. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What if he like gives me detention or something? Or like he suspends me. Okay, wait. Okay. Wow. I'm right here. No. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Because that was awesome. Oh my god. I'm just gonna invoke the friend request and then send him another friend request. Okay, everyone. Ooh. So this girl wants to be my... Oh my gosh, we have to like get it yes or no. She was begging. That was not true. Well, I don't like beggars. I think you meant to put don't like instead of don't beggars. Really? I did want to, but I didn't beg. He grabs paper and crushes it. Why would you crush a paper? She is really talented. Oh, talented. Miss Goofball. You know what, that's all. Miss Goofball. Don't do the shoe dance. I'm not begging, sir, for your information. I'm just being so rude to this guy. Oh my god. What will make you mad? What? Mad? Oh, what will make you mad? I was just asking a simple question, and then you say to the class, I'm begging. I do not like the way you're acting to me. There. Boy, I told you. Who told you? Miss Goofball. I'm so sorry you had to go through this. What is it again? Passing time. What's the science, lunch, history? Oh, it's PE. Yay! Finally, somewhere where the principal won't have to be anywhere. Alright. Okay, the gymnasium. I'm already ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and get up here and sit down. Hold on, let me see here. Right here. And then my character needs to sit down. Sit down. I have a touch screen, so there we go. That's perfect. So I have proof you're being mean to me. He has not even left the game yet. He just doesn't even care. New text. I don't care. What if you get they won't do anything. Look. You have problems that you need to fix and have better manners around other people instead of saying lies and being rude. So there's my opinion. So there's my opinion. You happy now? Huh? Oh my gosh, I spelled some things wrong. Like this, and then, I think I actually told this guy off, to be honest. Cause, I do not know what he's gonna do, cause he has enforcer's powers, and I'm scared that he's gonna, like, suspend me. Jordan Demon Hero. No one needs you around here. Just kidding. Ha 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 ha. I stole the ball. Hey, you give that back, mister. Hey, you know. I wanna give. Wow. You're mean, principal. Do whatever you want to me, but you can't stop the truth.